Additional. Choose the best answer. Find out the correct statements. A. The place of the Earth's surface above the focus is epicenter. B. During an earthquake, B chooses to building. C. Fire causes injuring to people and animals. Answer C. Fire causing injuring to people and animals. The chapter name is Disaster Management Responding to Disasters, Unit 8 Geography. Match the followers. A. Firefighters, first responder. Seismograph, earthquake. Tsunami, 10 to 30 meter high. Smoke, respiratory hazard. Wildfire, forests. Very short answer. 1. What is disaster? Answer. A disaster is a catastrophe that causes great damage or loss of life and property. 2. What is meant by stop, drop, and roll? Answer 1. To escape a fire, stop, drop, and roll. Second, in case your clothes burn, stop running. Drop on the floor and roll to stop fire spreading. Roman number 3. Short answer. 1. What is meant by disaster response? Answer 1. Disaster response entails restoring physical facilities, rehabilitation of affected populations, restoration of lost livelihoods, and reconstruction efforts to restore the infrastructure lost or damaged. Second, the response phase focuses primarily on emergency relief, saving lives, providing first aid, restoring damaged systems, communications, and transportation, meeting the basic life requirements of those impacted by disaster, food, water, and shelter, and providing mental health and spiritual support and care. 2. How is earthquake caused? Earthquake is a sudden vibration of the part of the earth caused by plate movements. It occurs along the plate boundaries, the place inside the earth where earthquake originates is focus. The point on the earth's surface above the focus is epicenter. The damage caused by the earthquake is the highest near the epicenter. The earthquake is measured by an instrument is called seismograph. It's recorded in Richter scale. 3. What to do during an earthquake if you are in outdoors in moving vehicle? In outdoors, move away from buildings, trees, streetlights, and utility wires. If you are in open space, stay there until the shaking stops. The greatest danger exists directly outside buildings that exist and alongside exterior walls. Most earthquake related casualties result due to collapsing walls, flying glass, and falling objects. In moving vehicle, stop as quickly as safety permits. Avoid stopping near or under buildings, trees, overpasses, and utility wires. Proceed cautiously once the earthquake has stopped. Avoid roads, bridges, or ramps that might have been damaged by the earthquake. Mention the cause of fire. What are the problems caused by fire? Wildfires occur when vegetated areas are set alight and are particularly common during hot and dry periods. They can occur in forests, grasslands, bush, and deserts, and with sufficient wind can rapidly spread. Fires can lead to the destruction of buildings, wooden bridges and poles, power transmission and telecommunication lines, warehouses of containing oil products and other fuel. It causes injury to people and animals. The most common causes of fires are lightning strikes, sparks during arid conditions, the eruption of volcanoes, and man made fires arising from deliberate arson or accidents. A side effect of wildfires that also threatens inhabited areas is smoke. Fires create large quantities of smoke which are spread far by wind and poses a respiratory hazard. What to do if you're caught in a riot? If you find yourself caught up in a demonstration, keep up to the edge of the crowd where it is safer. At the first opportunity, break away and seek refuge in a nearby building or find a suitable doorway or alley and stay there until the crowd passes. When leaving the fringe of the demonstration, just walk away. Don't run, as this will draw attention to you. In the event that you are arrested by the police or military, do not resist. Go along peacefully and contact your law advisor to help you resolve your predicament. If you are caught up in the crowd, stay clear of grass shop fronts. Moreover, move with the flow. If shooting breaks out, drop to the ground and cover your head and neck. And lie as flat as you can. Fourth, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. 1. Why do you think you should cover your head with one hand and hold the table with another hand during an earthquake? It is mainly to protect the head and neck from gently damaged. 2. During an earthquake, why should we exist to staircase and not use elevators? Because the earthquake likely to knock out electrical power, the elevator machinery will not work. Suppose you are in a room of a strong building without any furniture. When an earthquake occurs, what would you do to protect yourself from the earthquake? If doors are open, stand under a doorway or in a corner inside the room. Cover your face and head with your arms. Reason out. Why should you stay away from buildings with glass pans during an earthquake? A jolting of the earthquake, bursting and breaking of wall, glass pans may happen. So it is better to stay away from it. Unit test. Time 40 minutes, marks 20. Choose the correct answer. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. One among the following is not a first responder in case of a disaster. A. Police officers. C. Insurance agents. B. Firefighters. D. Emergency medical technicians. Drop, cover, hold is a mock drill, a vowel for A. Fire. B. Earthquake. C. Tsunami. D. Riot. Very short answer questions. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Who are the community's first responders to disaster? What should you do after a tsunami? What is meant by stop, drop, and roll? How many males and females die per day due to fire in India? Short answer questions. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. How do you respond to tsunami? What would you do if you are indoors during an earthquake? Answer 1. C. Insurance agents. B. Earthquake.